MMM Global Philippines. The regulations for MMM Global. People who wants to join MMM register on the website and get an access to a personal office. In the PO, the participant makes requests both to provide and receive assistance. MMM appreciates rewards those who provide assistance to other participants. The donor gets special points in his PO Mavros. MMM Global Mutual Aid Program. The community offers a mutual aid program with following terms. Possible Mavro growth rate at 30% per month. The minimum donation is 200 pesos. The maximum amount of donation you give must not exceed equivalent to $10,000. This restriction is introduced so that MMM would not be considered as an investment project. A community's aim is a decent standard of living for all its members, not the rapid enrichment of individual participants. Bonus programs. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants that you invited. Attracting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development, but not obligatory. Inviting new participants, you receive the opportunity to make a successful career in the MMM community and earn money. Manager's bonus. Once you graduate from manager school, you as a manager will earn from your personal invited participants at 5%, and the rest of the participants in your team on the second level you earn 3%. On the third level you earn 1%, and the bonuses goes all the way down. Starting from the ninth level, you will receive 0.01%, and that goes for the level below. Registration bonus. After having registered and making your first donation, as a participant, you receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if your donation is from $50 and $499. It's frozen for 2 weeks. If you take the money before that, you lose your $20. And that goes the same for $50 and $100 bonuses, and those are frozen for a month. Frozen means that if you take the money out before the term time, you will lose the registration bonus only, but you will receive the deposit itself with all the interest accrued. Bonus for a video. When you make a video, an appreciation for the donation that you received from the participant of MMM Global, you will get 5% if you include yourself in the video. And if you're not in the video, you will receive 3% of from the donation you got from the MMM participants. Bonus for a video about getting donation can be frozen for 2 weeks. General rules of MMM Global. Assistance given from one member of the community to another is non-payable donation of money. Participants should donate only non-critical sums of money. Participants share ideas and goals of the MMM community. Members of the community should be kind and honest to each other. The conditions of mutual aid and bonus programs, as well as the quantity of the awarded Mavros, could be unilaterally changed at any moment for better operation of the community. Participants of the community have no legal but moral responsibility to each other. MMM is not engaged in any form of investment activity. Multiple registration and creating multiple accounts are forbidden. One participant can register only one account. In case of violation of this rule, all accounts of the participant will be blocked. Lottery. All participants of the community with the confirmed Mavros have the opportunity to participate in a weekly lottery. This is on your PO account. You open a lottery and then you can personally enter your choice of numbers, or you can have the computer generate the numbers for you, and after that click on remember my choices, and this is done every Wednesday of the week. Legal status of the MMM community. MMM community is not a corporation or a business project. MMM does not have any bank accounts, does not conduct any commercial activities, and does not provide investment or consulting services. MMM community is a voluntary association of private persons. The community members give each other money gratuitously without any treaties and promises. Therefore, the community members do not come to any legal relationship with each other. Donating money between private persons is not prohibited by international and national legislation, but in some countries the donation of large sums is taxed. Warning: the members should understand that MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donor to a recipient. Therefore, in order that a mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, a number of participants donating money should generally increase. The community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back, donate only spare money. Nevertheless, we are convinced that the MMM community benefits the society by the redistribution of money in time. Those who have spare money at the moment give it to those who need money. MMM Global, together we change the world.